Hi everybody, it's Mr. Lang. This is our weekly update video. You'll get one of these every Sunday night that explains what we're doing for the week. So this is our first week of school, September 14th through 18th. The learning topics for the week. On Monday, you're going to do an assignment on order of operations. On Tuesday, we're doing a solve one-step equations. Both those days are very straightforward, very easy. Thursday, we have solved two-step equations. And Friday is going to be a practice quiz on solving one and two-step equations. So every 3 or 4 lessons, we'll have a practice quiz and a quiz. The practice quiz counts as homework, and the quiz counts as on your summative category, which is a little bit more on your grade. So that's the 4 things you need to do this week. Notice on Wednesday, there's nothing to do. You can use that day as a makeup day and work ahead day, whatever you want. And this course is self-paced, so you can work ahead if you wish. There's nothing wrong with that. I have second and third weeks, I believe, are going to be turned on in Canvas this week. So here's the schedule for class. We have a sync class meeting, which means we'll meet together tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. This is not a mandatory meeting. This is just a drop-in meeting if you want to ask questions or just say hi. Or any questions you might have, you can show up. I'll be online for that half hour, but you do not need to come. You could just jump into your order of operations assignment, okay? You'll notice there's also a sync meeting on Thursday. That one is going to be mandatory, okay? So that one I'd like everybody to come to. It'll be at 9 a.m. And we'll just touch base a little bit, talk about some things heading into the weekend, okay? So the Monday meeting is optional. The Thursday meeting is required, okay? And one thing I did want to note for you, the day of our test is going to be October 4th on our first unit, so that is the drop-dead day for homework to be done, okay? All homework needs to be turned in by the day of the test. Homework tips. Each assignment starts with a video. You should watch it, okay? You'll remember there's also a note link where you can read over the notes if you want. You may have to page through the notes to get to the topic that we're on for that day, but that's pretty easy. And remember, there's a calculator button. You should push that button and turn on the calculator, and it'll stay with you throughout your assignment. Remember, you can redo questions as many times as necessary before the due date for full credit. There's a submit button, and if you get it wrong, it turns red, and then you should go back in and change the answer, okay? So you get it right. If you're stuck, rewatch the video, or almost every question has a video attached to it for video help. You could watch that little video. You could read over the note resources, or email me, okay? So hopefully you won't get stuck. This first week is pretty straightforward. So have a great week. Be in touch. That's my email address, and that's our Google Meet link. I'm going to send this slideshow as a document as well so that those links are live, because they're obviously not live on the video, okay? All right, have a great week, and I'll see you at the meeting tomorrow if you want, or for sure on Thursday.